How to install TurboTax on Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can install TurboTax. For this, open up any web browser. Now search for TurboTax download. Then scroll down and click on download and install TurboTax option. Once you get here, you're going to find different products over here. Go ahead and click on the preferred product. Now, you have to select your computer's operating system to begin. Select either Windows or Mac OS. After you select that, the downloading will begin. Now you will have to wait for some time. After the downloading has been completed, you want to go to Downloads folder. Now you want to double click to launch TurboTax. Once it is launched, you want to click on the install option. Now have your license code ready. All you want to do is follow the on-screen prompts and then you will be able to install and activate your TurboTax software. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.